A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of your school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize, what is the value of each of the prizes? A sum of 700 rupees is used to give 7 cash prizes. So here what is given? Okay, 7 cash prizes. So number of terms is given. So 7 cash prizes. So 7 cash prizes. That means n equals to 7. Okay. So sum of 7 prizes is 700. So sum of 7 cash prizes. Sum of 7 cash prizes, that is Sn, is 700. Okay, next. Each prize is 20 less than its preceding price. Okay, each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. That means D equals to minus 20. Okay. Now find the value of each prize. So since each prize, now we will find each one of the prize. First prize, second prize, third prize, so up to 7 prizes. Since Sn equals to 700. What is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D equals to 700. Actually Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here what is the value of n? N value how much? 7. So now this is the S7. Substitute n equals to 7. 7 by 2 to a. I don't know the value of a, plus n value 7 minus 1. N value 7 minus 1. D value how much? D value minus 20. Minus 20 equals to 700. Okay. Now see, 7 ones are 700. So 1 by 2 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Plus into minus is minus. So minus 6. Minus 6 into 20 equals to 100. So 2a minus 620 is 120 equals to 100. 2 transpose to right side, multiply with 2. So 2a minus 120 equals to 100 times of 2 is 200. So 2a equals to 200 minus 20 minus 100 transpose to right side plus 120. So 2a equals to 320. So a equals to 320 by 2. So 160. So a equals to 160. Now what is a means what? First prize. So first cash prize. A1 equals to 160. Second cash prize. A2 equals 20 less than preceding. So 160 minus 20, that is 140 rupees. Third cash prize. A3 equals to, now 20 less than preceding means 140 minus 20, that is 120. Fourth cash prize. A4 equals to 120 minus 20, that is 100. Fifth cash prize. So A5 equals to 100 minus 20, that is 80. Okay, how many cash prizes are there? 7 cash prizes are there. Sixth cash prize. A6 equals to 80 minus 20, that is 60. Okay, seventh cash prize. A7 equals to 60 minus 20, that is 40.